We are always ready. Kahit saan. Paano siya magbibil? No bill. Doon sa graft, but doon sa plunder, ano ba inisyu sa kanyang warrant?
Grab po
Grab
daw.
lang.
Pero may bail daw eh,
Pag graft,
90,000.
it's bailable. Pero yung sa plunder, kasi it's raffled to two different division eh. Division, second division, saka fifth division.
Pero kahit bailable po yun, naka-monitor pa rin po yung NBI.
Of course, kasi meron pang palabas na, kung hindi pa lumabas yung warrant, that's why I'm asking kung may copy na kami ng warrant, wala pa pala.
How are you preparing for that possibility? I mean, when you say you're prepared,
We're always prepared. Kita nyo nga yung nangyari dyan sa nalaglag yung... Well, always prepared. What do you mean how? We are prepared always. That is our mandate. We've been ready from the start.
what are the chances that you will resist it?
Who, Senator Bato?
Yes.
Well, that's why we're ready. That's why when you effect the arrest, naka-gear yan, kompleto, di ba? That's why we're sending different teams. And that's also the reason why we are joint effort with CIDG.
Sir, what if manlaban ulit sa Senator Bato? Like what happens sa Senate?
Sana wag. Sana wag man lang.
Sir, when can we expect a subpoena for
Please
the
provide space.
We're preparing it today.
Please make way.
Sir, why is it necessary na isubpoena yung wife? Can you just discuss lang a little further?
Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi nyo pa ako tinutulong. Kasi nga because of her pronouncement eh. So we have to validate. Okay? Thank you.